Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to show you how to create your thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So if you would like to know how you can do that, keep on watching. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is, these are all the apps I have, but you want to go to your app store. And then from there you are going to, type Phonto. It's going to be right here. I already have the app, so it's going to be this little one right here. You're going to open, and yeah, that's how it's going to show. From there, you're going to want to press the button in the middle. It's going to say take photo, albums, and all of that. You do not want to do that. You want to go to plain image. And I'm just going to choose this black one. And you see right up here, it has some numbers. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to click custom. And we are going to change these two numbers. So the first one I'm going to change is, and I'm going to put 1280. The second one I'm going to do is put 720. You would want to take a screenshot of this or save it on your phone in your favorites, because sometimes I forget these numbers and it's really easy to forget, and you don't want to keep going back to the video and trying to figure it out. It's so much easier if you just take a screenshot of that. And yeah, from there you're gonna click done. If you see this black image came up, you're going to go right up here and you're going to click use right there. After you click use, you are ready to start working on your thing, on your image. You can add an image right here, which is what I'm gonna do. Moments, and I am going to add, let's say that one. I wanna add that. Okay, once I add that, I'm gonna click on it. You can remove, adjust it, all these size, tilt, move. So let's do size. See, so this one's really big. Let's do it again. Let's make it right there. I'm gonna put that right there. Now I wanna add another one, for example. So I'm gonna go back here. I want to add another picture, so I will do that. I'm gonna go here and add image. Let me just see what image I'm gonna use. So this is the one I'm gonna use for my thumbnail. I'm gonna press done and it's gonna come up again. See here? I'm gonna put size and I'm just gonna adjust it. Ooh, you could adjust it, you could tilt it, you could do so much to it. So I'm just gonna put it like that. Actually, let me remove this one. Let me add another. And I'm gonna use just this one. From there, I'm gonna click done again. I'm gonna size it up. And I'm just gonna put it right there. You wanna try to adjust it as best as you can. Right there. Obviously, do you see these edges that are a little messed up? It's gonna come out fine, don't worry about that. Next, if you wanna add some words to your thumbnail, you can click just the tap. Do you see how you just tap anywhere you tap? Add text, and we are gonna write Ashley. If I want to put a symbol, I could do it. If I want to align it center, I can do that, and you can pretty much play around with it. Let's put close and done. I could put a font if I want. So I'm gonna do that again. Ashley, if you want, you can put a font. And they have different types of fonts here. You can choose. So I'm just gonna choose this one. done. And I want to put a different color. So I am going to go to style and I want it red. Done. And then from there you can also adjust the size of, see, right there you can adjust it. Ashley, so let's put Ashley right there. Right over there. And yeah, that's pretty much. And then I am going to click on this one right over here. And I am going to press on save image. It says successfully saved. Okay, so now let's go back to our right there. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, have a great one. Bye.